how's it going, guys? My name is Miko and welcome back to my channel. So before I upload the third and the fourth function, which is going to be the update and then the delete function under our current tutorials, let me first give you a pointers on how you can basically upload this to the web using Heroku. Okay, so after you've done creating your platform, I know the second thing that you wanted to ask is how I can upload this to the web. So basically, this tutorial is teaching you how to upload the web app that you've created using Heroku. Okay, so if you still don't have Heroku, you can just simply click in here Heroku, and obviously I just need to sign out first, okay, for me to give you everything. Alright, so you can see here under, actually you cannot, but this is the default that you can see. Alright, so I don't know why it's not going there, but yeah, obviously if you are in the ID heroku.com/login or /login, you can click here to sign up, and you can put here your credentials, your first name, last name, everything, and then it will ask you about your role in the company, the country and region that you're currently residing, and the language that you're currently using. So I suggest you just simply click in node.js or anything actually. Alright, so I'm not a robot, and then create a free account, and then you'll be prompted within the declared email address the link that you can change your password, and then once you've successfully changed your password, then you can log in. Alright, so once you're logged in within the platform, it will ask you to agree onto some terms and conditions, and then you just need to click on agree, and then you will be seeing this. Alright, so in order for you to create your new application, just click here the new and create new app, and then think of the name of your application. Say for instance React JS 012, and if it's available, then it will go green. If it's not, it will go red. So if it's available, then you can create your app freely. And then once you've created your app freely, okay, a big caution for those individuals who are new with Heroku: if you still didn't install their CLI, so I suggest you install their CLI first, okay, before you run some of the code that they're requiring you to put in your command prompt or in your terminal if you're using Mac. So do that. And if it's your first time running in Git, so I suggest you also download your Git. Okay, so actually it's part of the documentation that you will be informed as well. If you're using Linux, then you can click this. If you're using Mac, you can click this. If you're using Windows, you can click this. So yep, that's it. And afterwards, if ever that you're going to be downloading the CLI, check first your laptop, if your laptop is running under 32-bit or 64-bit if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, and then just do this, copy paste this literally, and then just don't copy paste the $sign. So yep, copy paste everything, and everything will be good. Alright, and then open up your command prompt once more, okay, and let's begin. So afterwards, just go back, okay, and then I'm gonna be pulling out my command prompt, and then going to change directory, and I'm gonna be putting it here, make it our React JS uploading 01. So if I change directory and go towards React JS uploading 01, okay, and then I just need to install the React. So npm init react-app. So it will take some time, and I'm just gonna be pausing the video for a while, and then I'm gonna be unpausing it once the whole installation of the package is done. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. So now we're done installing our React application, and for us to proceed, let us do npm start first using the terminal or the command prompt. So let's do npm start, and in here we'll be prompted within the localhost version of our npm or our React application. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds up until the boilerplate loads within this web page. So it might take some time or few, But while we're doing this, I am not going to be using this boilerplate. Instead, what I'm going to be using in CodePen again. So let's just do the image, and let's just click this, and then click that. Okay, and then inside, just copy paste the full HTML. And by the way, my problem here is I still didn't do code dot, so well, I guess I can't see my code, so I cannot run it. So yep, let me just simply run the full codes here, and then I'll teach you how to upload. So yes, I trust the others, and then go to the SRC, and then just like what I did beforehand, just tutorial, I want you to remove the unnecessary. So remove this, remove this, remove this, and then just delete it, and then move to the recycle bin. And once you're done deleting it, just go ahead into the index.js and also remove the importation for that. So the app.js, we're using this, so remove that, and we can also remove this full header, okay, because we're not going to be using the template, we're just going to be using the boilerplate for this one. So yep, remove that, and then let's do another npm start so we can check. So while we're doing that, let me just simply go to the app.js, and let's just, I think, wait for a couple of seconds up until it loads out, because yep, I think it's going to be loading out in here. So let's just wait for some time, and yep, it's now loading there. So just go and click say hello world, and once you save that, everything should be fetched in here. I don't know why it loads so slow. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds up until the hello world fetch or prompts within our screen. So yep, it is prompting in our screen. So let's now delete this and copy paste or copy paste it. Actually, let's remove all the field set in here. Okay, let's just remove that, let's just remove that, let's just remove that, let's remove it. I think we can just simply retain everything. So okay, alright, at the end of the input, don't forget to put the forward slash, forward slash, forward slash, forward slash, and this. Let me just simply remove that. And once you hit and save, it will look like this. Now, in order for us to achieve this look, okay, we need to copy the CSS. So in order for us to do that, go to the app.css and then paste the whole thing, and voila, we're now set. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is we go to the this one, and then type in Heroku Login. Alright, terminate that, and then type in Heroku Login, then press Q. Alright, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds up until it loads down, then click on Login. Then once you've clicked on Login, you're now officially logged in. So I just need you to go again in here and type or copy this. Alright, but before that, just say git init, because you're going to be initializing the repository, and then do that, and then git add, which is stated in here. Alright, and then after that, git commit. Alright, so after that, you just need to git push, and then after that, once everything is successful, you may need to come here in the settings so that you can click this link. Alright, wherein this link is the link that you can see this. Alright, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. I think my time is running out, but you know, it's too slow in my end to load this. But let's just patiently wait for a couple of seconds. So I'm just gonna be pausing this video for a while. So yep, it's now done in here. So I guess we just need to go again in here and just click this, and let's see if our application is running on the website now. So again, let's be very patient, because you know, if you're using SSD, well, good for you, because your PC loads up so fast. On my end, I still use HDD, so that's the reason why. And I guess this is the reason that I need to change my internet or ISP provider. So yep, I guess it's it. We have just uploaded our simple React.js. Alright, so thank you so much, and have a nice day. God bless everyone. Peace out.